We as an ATC, we mostly work behind the scenes. People who fly generally think that when they get into aircraft, they fly from one place to another. Most of the people are aware only about the pilots and the cabin crew and all. We stay behind the scenes, but we play an equally important part in getting the flight from one place to another in a safe and expeditious manner.
Air traffic control is one of the most safety critical jobs which are performed in the world, and research and study all across the world has compared it with neurosurgeons, with nuclear scientists, and with pilots. This has been documented in the Air Traffic Services Manual and celebrated all across. Air traffic control is a unique job where a controller with a two-dimensional set is able to imagine in a three-dimension the aircrafts which are flying, and he is able to control them by a simple voice command sitting on ground. The importance and the intensity can be understood where it has been seen that the stress level on a controller and the effort which he puts to do his job has been studied continuously over the last several years, and it has been found that it is one of the most stressful jobs. At Ahmedabad, controllers during the pre-COVID period have handled more than 1,000 aircrafts per day, and the tower controllers have handled close to 300 movements per day. Each movement is a landing or a takeoff at an airfield. Given the state of the condition, the facilities and the stress in which they work, they have performed a wonderful job, and it has been recorded by ICAO also in international studies, in international reports. The job as such being safety critical requires huge amount of training, where the controller close to 30 to 40% of the time undergoes one form of the training or other. The uniqueness of the job can also be comprehended by the fact that the selection procedure is very rigorous, the passing is more than 80%, and that margin of error is nil. And in this given conditions and the trying circumstances, the controllers have to put in a huge amount of effort, have to keep themselves focused, have to work 24 hours in a day in different shifts of course, to keep their focus and morale high.
नॉर्मली लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि एटीसीओ क्या करती है। जैसे ये एक रिले रेस होता है, एक व्यक्ति बैटन दूसरे व्यक्ति के हाथ में बहुत सेफली पहुंचाता है, वैसे ही एक एटीसीओ सिटिंग इन वन स्टेशन वेरी सेफली हैंड्स ओवर द एयरक्राफ्ट टू अनदर एटीसीओ सिटिंग इन अनदर स्टेशन. So the aircraft actually is never left alone in the airspace.
Congratulations on the World ATC Day. You have been instrumental in keeping communication line open during the tough time of COVID pandemic. I wish each of you very best healthy conditions and keep doing good work. Best wishes.
We, the air traffic controllers at Ahmedabad, work 24/7 providing air traffic services in the most efficient and safe manner. In an airspace of dimension 750 kilometers into 500 kilometers approximately, even during COVID situation, we have worked dedicatedly while providing services also to various medical and humanitarian flights are required for the purpose of fighting the dreadful disease. I, as an ATCO, feel immensely proud and privileged to be a part of this profession, which provides the service. It is a noble profession for the safe and efficient transit of air passengers from one part of globe to another part. On this World ATC Day, I convey my best wishes to all my fellow ATCOs worldwide for happy and safe controlling. Jai Hind.
ATC Guild India is the professional body of air traffic controllers for the Indian ATCO, which represented throughout the India. World ATC Day is celebrated on the day of 20th October every year, which is the formation day for the IFATCA. Ahmedabad ATCO are providing safe, expeditious and orderly flow of air traffic 24 hours, 365 days, even during the pandemic situation of COVID-19. On this occasion, I wish for all the controllers of Ahmedabad ATC and throughout the world, wish you happy World ATC Day and happy and safe control.
Friends, I would like to congratulate you all at the great occasion of the World ATC Day. This time especially it's a challenging time because world over pandemic is there. But even during this pandemic, during this challenging time, we continued providing air traffic control services. Our controllers endeavored to come to office to provide service as and when and whatever required. We from training section continued providing training, sometimes online, sometimes offline, to make best use of the time and to provide best of the services so that the training part of the controllers is not missed out and we continue providing standard services to our customers. For this, I must be thankful to all our instructors and the management who provided full support to achieve this.
I want to congratulate all the ATCOs on the World ATC Day, which is going to be celebrated at Ahmedabad Airport. Wonderful job. I wish the message is spread all across to the entire aviation community.
Despite of immense occurred because of the COVID situation, still we were able to manage beautiful show. We continued with the seamless ANS services in our Ahmedabad DMA. I wish all the ATC officers good success on the occasion of International ATC Day.
I salute all the ATCOs around the world for the relentless services rendered round the clock. So, wish all the ATCOs around the world a very happy ATC Day.
Human Resource Department is proud to be associated with the Airports Authority, the custodian of Indian airspace for civil aviation. I congratulate ATCOs for the World ATC Day.
Wonderful.
Uber cool.
Thrilling job.
Multitasking.